There are many unique plants and flowers in the world, and their cost can vary depending on various factors such as availability, demand, and location. Here are some examples of unique plants and flowers with important facts and uses. Corpse flower. AMORPHOPHALLUS titanum. This plant is known for its large size and pungent odor, which resembles that of a decaying animal. It is native to Sumatra and is a rare sight in cultivation. The plant takes several years to mature and produces a single flower that can reach up to 3 meters in height. The flower emits a strong odor that attracts carrion beetles and flies, which help to pollinate the plant. The plant has no commercial value, but it is a popular attraction in botanical gardens around the world. Titan ARUM. AMORPHOPHALLUS gigas. This is another member of the AMORPHOPHALLUS genus and is known for its large size and unique appearance. The plant can grow up to 3 meters in height and produces a single flower that can reach up to 2 meters in diameter. The flower emits a strong odor that attracts insects, and it is also used in traditional medicine to treat various ailments. The plant is native to Sumatra and is not commonly found in cultivation. Its cost can range from several hundred to several $1,000s. Ghost orchid. Dendrophylax lindeni. This orchid is known for its delicate, white flowers that appear to float in the air. It is native to Florida and the West Indies and is a rare sight in the wild. The plant has no leaves or stems and instead attaches itself to the bark of trees. It is pollinated by moths and is an important indicator of the health of the ecosystems in which it grows. The plant has no commercial value, but it is highly sought after by orchid enthusiasts and can cost thousands of dollars. Black bat flower. Taka chantrari. This plant is known for its unique, bat-shaped flowers that are deep purple in color. It is native to Southeast Asia and is a popular ornamental plant. The plant can grow up to 60 centimeters in height and produces multiple flowers that resemble bats in flight. The plant is not commonly found in cultivation, but it is highly valued by collectors and can cost several $100s. Venus flytrap. Dionea mashipula. This carnivorous plant is known for its ability to trap and digest insects. It is native to the wetlands of North and South Carolina and is a popular houseplant. The plant has modified leaves that are shaped like a clamshell and lined with small, sensitive hairs. When an insect lands on the hairs, they trigger the plant to close its leaves and trap the insect. The plant is an important tool for studying the mechanics of plant movement and is also used in traditional medicine to treat various ailments. The cost of the plant can range from a few dollars to several hundred, depending on the size and variety. Rafflesia arnoldi. This is the world's largest flower, native to the rainforests of Indonesia. The flower can reach up to 1 meter in diameter and can weigh up to 11 kilograms. It has a strong, unpleasant odor that attracts flies, which help to pollinate the plant. The flower has no stems, leaves, or roots and grows directly on the host plant. It is a rare sight in the wild and has no commercial value. Stinking corpse lily, Rafflesia cari. This plant is a member of the Rafflesia genus and is known for its large size and unpleasant odor. It is native to Thailand and Malaysia and is a rare sight in the wild. The flower can reach up to 60 centimeters in diameter and emits a strong odor that resembles that of a decaying animal. The plant has no commercial value, but it is a popular attraction in botanical gardens around the world. Himalayan blue poppy, Meconopsis betonicifolia. This plant is native to the Himalayan region and is known for its vibrant blue flowers. The plant can grow up to 1.5 meters in height and produces multiple flowers that bloom in late spring and early summer. The plant is a popular ornamental plant and is also used in traditional medicine to treat various ailments. The cost of the plant can range from a few dollars to several hundred, depending on the size and variety. Bleeding heart, DICENTRA spectabilis. This plant is native to Eastern Asia and is known for its heart-shaped flowers that hang from arching stems. The plant can grow up to 1 meter in height and produces multiple flowers that bloom in the spring. The plant is a popular ornamental plant and is also used in traditional medicine to treat various ailments. The cost of the plant can range from a few dollars to several hundred, depending on the size and variety. Bird of paradise, Strelitzia regina. This plant is native to South Africa and is known for its exotic, bird-like flowers. The plant can grow up to 2 meters in height and produces multiple flowers that bloom throughout the year. The plant is a popular ornamental plant and is also used in traditional medicine to treat various ailments. The cost of the plant can range from a few dollars to several hundred, depending on the size and variety.